go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. You remember the rain, down on my eyes, still remember the days. I'm trying to get to the back, so I'm trapping the gas every day, but the shit don't change. I pour 6 in the figure, then I get the tweet. Trying to spin, bro, I get in my ways. Up off of York, I be thinking about grandma and granddad. I gotta go take me a face. Call a twin, he gon' hop in the whip and he send that shit, bro, I did. She feeling low with it, I be fucking it good. I be hitting that shit all ways. Think I'm in love with this shit, bro, got me a dick. I be hitting that shit all day, but she already know what it is. I got too many bitches, been shit just like back in the day. My music go hard at the back, I be feeling like that nigga Drake. I be trying to put on a smile for the fans. Shit too hard that I can't even face. Bro, I said that I'm ready for war out my mouth. So wherever I go, so I'm bringing that straight. Nigga said that I'm ready, just living to die. But I pray that the Lord don't take me away, yeah. One day I'ma fly with my angels, but Lord don't take me away. I'ma keep doing this shit for my grand. While we here, I'ma put a smile on his face. I swear that I'm ready to ball. So I put on my shoes and then I'm tying on my legs. I'm trapping the bags and bullets behind me. I'm hitting the gas, I ain't catching no case. I know that I'm gonna be the best, I just gotta keep doing what it takes. I really be throwing 2 C's for my grandma. Niggas be thinking I'm dropping the rate. My babies, they finna be foreign, cause I'm not going. Some shit that's from out of state. Baby gon' run from the dick and I'm already knowing. I'm a freak like that nigga. You remember the rain, down on my ass, you remember the days. I'm trying to get to the back, so I'm trapping the gas every day, but this shit don't change. I pour 6 in the figure, I start tweeting. Trying to spin, but I get in my ways. Up off of York, I be thinking about grandma and granddad. Nah, I gotta go take me a face. Call a twin, he gon' hop in the whip and he seen that shit, bro, I did. She feeling low with the dick, I be fucking it good. I be hitting that shit all ways. Think I'm in love with this shit, bro, got me a dick. I be hitting that shit all day, she already know what it is. I got too many bitches, shit you like back in the day. My music go hard at the back, I be feeling like that nigga Drake. I be trying to put on a smile for the fans. Shit too hard that I can't even fake. Bro, I said that I'm ready for war out my mouth. So wherever I go, so I'm bringing that Drake. Niggas say that I'm really just living to die, but I pray that the Lord don't take me away, yeah. One day I'ma fly with my angels, but Lord don't take me away. I'ma keep doing this shit for my grandpa. While he here, I'ma put a smile on his face. Trapping the bags and the boys get behind me. I'm hitting the gas, I ain't catching no case. I really be throwing 2 C's for my grandma, but these niggas be thinking I'm dropping the rakes.